Good morning, everybody. Dear students, in the last class, we are discussing about this aircraft, this small aircraft that can make and track. Today we have discussion in the continuation part of this aircraft. In the last session, we are discussing A.L. Hendricks goes to the walk railway track in between his house to railway track. Every day he walks railway track to his house or his house to railway track. This walk is very pleasant and very interesting, very delightful to him because he can look every beautiful nature scene, the green and red bungalows and the lawns and the beautiful gardens. Look at him. But one day he can see or he saw a small incident. What he can see? Anybody tells us? Anybody tells you? What he can see? What he can see what he can see A.L. Hendricks. A.L. Hendricks saw the two small children playing in the gardens. Two small children playing in the gardens. One is 5-year-old boy, another one is 4-year-old boy. 5-year-old boy is a black boy. His hair of the head is a black. His eyes is equal black eyes. And those who are sturdy, both are sturdy, but differentiate to both of them. The bigger boy is a dark boy, completely black, and his head hair is a very dark and coal black eyes. But small boy is a white boy. Small boy is a white boy, but he had a hazel eyes and dark brown eyes. But those were same dresses, blue shirt and khaki pants. And that game is very different. That game is very different. One boy is majestically up and down to told his order to the black boy. The white boy is a boss, then the black boy is a servant. And then the black boy is a faithful servant. Obeys all his orders. Obeys the black boy is obeying all the white boy orders and fulfill his needs. Fulfill the white boy needs and follow the white boy orders from the black boy. But totally, the A.L. Hendricks totally confused, and he thought, in this country or my country, living in the casteism or colorism, the white boy or white race rolled in the country, the black boy is in the black race in the servants. Here in this country, here my country, lived in the racism, lived in the colorism, lived in the casteism. When he thought, why he thought, look at that scene or incident, totally confused. But the next day, each boy alternate. That game is displayed or that game is introduced. Each person or each boy to the boss in alternative days. Then the slave, then the servant, then the other than the servant. Each one or each person or the boss in the alternative days, or every person in the boss in the alternative days, then the other person should be servant. That means, but totally confused. Finally, one conclusion to him or himself. Come, let us in the next part. Dear students, more question to himself. While he saw the picture, while he saw the game, that questions are, was it even as a boy he sensed that in his own country he would be at the white man's back and call? Was it really? Was it that even as a boy? Was it that even as a boy he sensed that in his own country he would be at the white man's back to back and call? Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ in this country or my country to sense or now those black and white races are call and back and call. Andre close friends to create a close friends. Those are black and white race to create a close friends. Call and back, it means to create. Call and back and call. Dear students, back and call. It means back and call. It means to create or to be create the friendship. To be friendship. Are you really create the friendship in those races? That is a surprise. Then another one is, could he make a differentiate between himself? Could he make a difference between himself and the white boy? Could you make to differentiate between himself and the white boy? White boy is a boss, black boy is a servant. Could you make a differentiate between himself? Could you make differentiate between himself and the white boy? Then another one is, and could he think, the author is think, could you think that he was going to boss over than the black man? Most probably, or perhaps the white boy as a leading or ruled all over the country, all my country, rule the bossism or rule the electricity in the white boys. Then the black man was a servant. Black man is a serving the white man's needs. Could you differentiate between the black and white men's? Could you make? Could you make? Then even though makkala manashinalliye ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Could I think that next one question, and he could think that he was going to pass over the black man. I could find no answer, but he could not find no answer. But he could not, the A.L. Handricks could not all these such questions to raise himself to a question, could not be find the answer of these questions, to try to make a question, to try to find out the answer to himself. He says, A.L. Handricks could not find no answer. I could not bring myself to believe such a thing. I could not bring myself to be believe such these things. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಇದು ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. Our country is to make a social distance, to make a social equality. All are equal. No differentiate between the blackism or black race or white race. Could not be make our country could not be make a racism, casteism and colorism. All are equal. Every person rule in the country are black or white. But I can't believe such a thing, or I can't believe these things. Could not bring myself to believe such a thing, and with my own eyes, I had seen a little dark boy. Take orders from the little white boy. I had seen a little dark boy. Taken orders from the little white boy. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I can see the white boy given to the orders to the black boy. The black boy taken orders to the white boy. But I can't believe to myself with my eyes. But totally A.L. Handricks confused to live in the racism of our country. No, all are equal in our society or in the country, but no man or boss, no man or servant, all are the equal, do the work in this country. But in this picture or in this playing children, I can guess, most probably or perhaps the white man's are a bossism, the black man has a servant in our country. No, but I can't believe such a thing. I can't believe that these scenes said to the Yale Hendricks. I had seen the Yale Hendricks seen. Yale Hendricks had seen the little white boy as a boss, a little dark boy as a servant. The little white boy give a order. Little white boy tells to his orders to the black boy. At the same way, the black boy give or receive or taken to his orders of the white boy. But he cannot believe that the real incident. I had seen a little dark boy taking orders from a little white boy. Obviously, he is social equal. Already told. The Yale Hendricks say, in our country, all are equal. No one considered to black man. No one considered to white man. White men are not a boss. Black men are not a boss. When who can ability to rule in our country, that man is a boss. To prove our ability to every person, that person can make to rule, that person to rule our country or make a boss, his own ability. Obviously, it is socially equal, and younger and smaller. Were we as a race? Really inferior? Were we as a racism or as a racism really inferior? White men are a boss, superior. White men are superior, black men are inferior. Totally confused. So inferior that even in our infancy means a childhood. Infancy, it means childhood. So inferior that even in our infancy we realize our deficiency and accepted a position as a white man's servant. Our deficiency means lack. Deficiency means lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge. And accepted a position. Accepted a position as a white man's servant. We realize our deficiency and accepted a position as a white man's servant. Realize. But another, for a whole day, I went on asking these questions to myself. Whole day, when he goes, he can rise. These are the such questions. to find the answer, because if this country is not valued, this country is not considered to white or black. And this country is leading the all the equal society. No man or boss, no race or the white man could not be considered the black man as a servant, and then the white man or a boss. No one consider. It should be considered that capability or capacity of which person, with that capacity of that person could be made a boss, other than the citizens. For a whole day, my faith in my people and shaken. My faith whole day, I say, I confuse whole day. My faith, ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, my faith in my people, ನನ್ನ ಜನರು, in my people was shaken when I passed by the afternoon. When I passed by the afternoon, those little boys are not here. Those are the little boys are not appear there. That evening I thought deeply in this subject, deeply on this subject, to find an answer. Next, in the next morning, he goes to walk on the same way. When he can see the picture. Then next morning, the boys were there again. The both boys are there again to play that games. But and a man was standing at the gate watching them. But one man standing near the gate and watching them. I stopped and looked. The air hand race stopped at that and looked or watched those persons and playing the boys and standing the watching person. I stopped and looked just to see what the white boy was making it little servant to do. What Akshay ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just to see Yale Hendricks just to see what he can see. He can see, or Yale Hendricks see, the white boy was making it little servant. But in the previous day, the black boy was a little servant. The little black boy was a little servant. The white boy was a boss or own boss. But today or the next day, it can be changed. It can be changed. They playing games. On that day or next day, the Yale Hendricks to see the white boy was making his little servant. To my surprise, when he can surprise, the Yale Hendricks was surprised. Now, the dark boy was commanding. Still, the dark boy was a boss and said to command and said to order to the white boy. White boy has a servant. But in the previous day, that game or the previous day, Yale Hendricks saw the white man was a command. The black boy was a fulfill. As servant. But today, but this day, the white boy was making his little servant do. But the black boy was giving to order. The black boy was ordered to white boy. The white boy was making a servant. Making a servant. Now surprise. To my surprise, now the dark boy was commanding. Why? Or while the little white youngster did everything. The dark boy was commanding. The dark boy was commanding. Why? Or at the same time, the white youngster or the white boy did everything. Or received the order of the black boy and fulfilled his order to the white boy. But in the previous day, white boy was commanding. At that time, the black youngster, the black boy did everything. But in this day, the black boy was a superior. The black boy was a commanding to white boy. When that time, or while the white boy was fulfill his needs, and did everything, or did everything. Come on. While the little youngster did everything, the little dark boy was stared in, or majestically. Stared in means long step. Stared means long feet. Stare, long feet, or majestically. Up and down. In the previous class, I told majestically up and down, majestically. Already I told the majestically up and down in the first. Majestically in the second paragraph. Majestically. The black boy was majestically up and down. The white boy was followed to him. The white boy had a faithful servant. Today, the white boy was a faithful servant. The black boy was a boss. But in previous day, the white boy was a boss. The white boy was majestically up and down, majestically walk and down in the garden, and say to the orders to the black boy. The black boy fulfilled his all needs and follow his orders. But today, differently changed, totally different, totally changed. Today, the black boy was a boss or superior. The black boy was a superior. The white boy was a inferior or a servant. The black boy was a spirit or spring. Majestically up and down in the garden. Majestically goes in the garden. Goes on the garden. Majestically goes on the garden tells to order to the white boy. The white boy has a faithful servant to the black boy. The white boy to fulfill. The white boy was a fulfill to the black boy needs, or to black boy orders. To receiving a black boy orders. The little dark boy was staring imperceptibly up and down. Imperceptibly means imperceptibly up and down the lawn. While the white ancestor walked abjectly behind him, the white boy goes behind him, or goes behind the black boy, and the black boy was ordered to the white boy, get a banana. He was a dominate. Get a banana. Get me a banana. Get me a banana. Immediately, the white youngster or white small boy ran inside his house. The little boy or little white boy ran inside his house and reappeared shortly. The black boy was ordered to white boy, get me a banana. But immediately the white small boy ran inside his house and reappeared shortly. Immediately in front of the black boy with a banana. Feel it for me. The little white boy feel the banana. The little white boy feel the banana and handed it to his dark master. Who is master? The black boy was the master. Who is the servant? The white boy is the servant. Who is the order of white man? The black boy was ordered to the white boy.